The plum tree is blooming and bearing fruit. The bird is coming. The bird is eating fruit. This bird can't wait. It's about to fly over to eat the plums. Let me think of an idea. Found it. Must be found in the book. Got it. The reflected red light can drive away birds, so the beautiful Coca Cola tree is undoubtedly the perfect choice. 6. Not enough. Pull another box. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There are no more birds. Ha ha! It turns out Coca-Cola grows on the tree. Just number 1 to 7. You can make a song. Let's try a few sentences. Dun, 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 dun. Spring is beautiful, it's a great time. I plant the plum tree. I plant and plum tree, and it turned into a Coca-Cola tree. Da-dum, so do, so re, so. Pick a cola nuts. Kidding me? Dad asked Mom, where are all the Coca-Cola hiding? Mom said, they have all climbed the tree. You have to drink from there. Can you buy 100 more? The daughter said, Dad, don't buy it. Mom planted a Coca-Cola tree.